Welcome to Tynemouth. The end of the Tyne River. Castle on the hill. Right, so there's Tynemouth Castle. I think the Priory's inside it. So got a few shops up there, haven't we? Yeah. So you walk round this way. Tynemouth Priory and Castle. There's certainly some good sandy beaches up here, aren't they? Yeah. I bet they're waiting for high tide to go in. Boats. Into Tyne River. Have a little walk down the street then, main street. See what's down there? Yeah, that one is, yeah. Although that is like an old clock or something. Clock tower, I don't know. It's like it's a water fountain again, Karen. Like a drinking water fountain, old. Got a clock face on it anyway. 12:10. Plenty of eating places anyway. So this is Tynemouth village. Yeah, like I said, this is Tynemouth village, this, isn't it? Yeah. Lovely. Yeah, it is really, like I say, like whether they have a market, I don't know. Yeah. So it's just a small street, isn't it really, you know, the village itself, isn't it? Yeah. Some nice little shops. Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? Raspberry Bazaar. Certainly raspberry. Plenty of apartments for sale. Yeah. It's got like quite a few individual shops as well, hasn't it? Yeah. Percy Building, 1883 up there. Queen Victoria, haven't we? Right in Cobble Street here, aren't we? Cenotaph in middle there. Cafe Wine Bar. Yeah. They must be selling off John Lewis's in that church. Yeah. It's not a church, I thought it was a church, but it's not. It's a furniture shop. To the moon and back. Hey, it's a lovely little place, isn't it?
Yeah, it's colour coat.
Back street archways. Don't get subway. No way, subway. Martineau Guest House. Harriet Martineau, novelist, political economist and England's first women journalist, regained her health here in 1840 to 1845. That's the way to the guest house. There's a difference there, isn't there? Guest house down the alleyway. You're gonna get a sandwich? Little garden there. Right, so we'll go and have a look in the castle. Or Priory Castle, or Castle Priory, whichever way around it goes. It's a priory inside a castle anyway. So we'll go and have a look. Right, let's go in. Yes, I bet it was an impressive structure when it was completed. Before old Henry VIII decided to take roof off everything. Make it good to rack and ruin so nobody could visit the church.